Okay chicos, so real quick I'm going to show you how to create that folder that you're going to share with me to put your homework in, and we're going to be putting some other assignments as well. So you're going to go to Google, you're going to make sure you're signed in with your NAU account, right? Once you are in your NAU account, you're going to go to this Google Apps, go to Drive. That is going to open your Google Drive, right? You're going to create a folder by clicking on New Folder. Then you're going to name it SPA 102, Spanish 102, your name, and Fall 2020, right? So that is going to be how you name it. That is going to be the way that I see it. This is going to make it easier. So please name it just like I'm showing you here. No spaces, no commas, no periods, nothing. First and last name though. So you click on create. Now you're gonna see that that new folder that you created is gonna be there. So now you're gonna right click on it, press on share. You're gonna add people. So in this case you're gonna add me, right? glg67@nau.edu, right? Once you do that, you click done, and that should give me access to your folder. Once you go in, please create a folder once. Let me say that again. Please create a new folder inside your class folder that says homework. Yeah. Then you click on that, and you can either press on new and file upload if you downloaded the document that I send you and upload it as a Word document where you have it all completed, or you could go back to your Google Drive and open that doc, right? If you made a copy of it, you should be able to see it. That's yours. You click on File, Move, and then you're gonna go back to my drive, and then you're gonna select the folder where you want it moved to. And then you're gonna select homework, and then you're gonna say move here, right? And that should be all for your homework today, the Carta con Errores. Please email me if you have any further questions about that one, but make sure you find the errors, write them on the lines, and answer the comprehension questions. Gracias.